Hey there, creative minds, this might just blow your mind. Imagine typing a few words and watching a hyper-realistic image appear in real time. No prompts and pray, no endless waiting. Today I'm diving into Decoherence AI's real-time image generation. It creates 1,000+ images in a second, and showing you how I used it to create a jaw-droppingly realistic calico cat without ever touching a camera. Let's get into it. Step 1. Let's jump straight into it. Go to Google and type Decoherence AI and click on the official link. Once you're in, make sure you're using the real-time tab. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Type your prompt and watch it work live. I just typed super simple, so I typed calico cat and guess what? It started generating in real time, like it was literally painting with light while I was watching. Step 3. Customize it while it's happening. If you don't like something, change the words mid-generation. I added, make the eyes amber, and bam, the cat's eyes started glowing like honey in the sun. I said, make the background more vintage, and it switched the whole vibe. No restart, no lag, it's that smooth. Step 4. It's not just cute, it's hyper-realistic. You can literally see the fur textures, the subtle lighting, even the tiny paw pads if you zoom in. This isn't cartoonish, it's like it was photographed, not generated. Perfect for art references, stories, mood boards, anything creative. And guess what? You can save your image instantly, share it, and even build on it later. I ended up with the most adorable, photo-perfect calico cat image I've ever seen. And all I did was type what I wanted. So yeah, Decoherence AI just made my imagination visible in real time. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to. Especially if you love art, aesthetics, or just watching your ideas turn into something beautiful. That's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, and maybe tell me what you would generate first. See you next time. Bye.